Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. The grazing being poor in the hills, a shepherd moved his flock down near the shore, where the sea mist kept the grass fresh and green. As he guarded his sheep, he delighted in gazing out over the tranquil sea, so smooth and calm and limitless. One day he was seized with a strong desire to sail over the peaceful expanse of blue water. So the shepherd sold his flock and received a good price because of the fatness of the sheep. With the money he bought a cargo of dates, which he loaded on a vessel and set sail for another port. He had not gone far, however, when the sky became dark and a storm arose. The boat was driven upon the rocks and wrecked, and his cargo of dates and everything he owned was swallowed up by the sea. Indeed, it was only by good fortune that the one-time shepherd was rescued and able to get land. Not long after this unhappy experience, the shepherd was sitting sorrowfully on the shore looking out to the sea, which now was calm and serene once more, when one of his friends came to him and said, "I see you are admiring the ocean. How beautiful and tranquil is the sea. Could any vista be more inviting?" "Have a care, my good fellow," replied the shepherd sourly, "of that smooth surface. It is only looking out for your dates." The name of the story, The Shepherd and the Sea. And the moral, trust not in him that seems a saint. The second story. A stag, pursued by hunters and weary from the long chase, took refuge among the branches of a vine, where he concealed himself amidst the foliage. The hunters passed within a few yards of him without discovering his hiding place. As the sound of their voices died away, and the stag thought that all was safe, he began nibbling at the tender green leaves that had sheltered him. As he tugged at the leaves, the movement of the branches caught the attention of one of the hunters. Guessing at once that his prey was there, the hunter drew his bow and shot an arrow into the rustling vine and killed the stag. As the animal lay dying, he groaned, "I am being justly punished for my ingratitude towards the vine that had protected me in time of danger." The name of the story, The Stag and the Vine. And the moral, throw no stones into the well that quenched your thirst. Now, daily motivational quote. Those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. G.B. Shaw. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.